Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the persistent strategies in the CSMA. So CSMA is referred to the carrier sense multiple access. So in that protocol, it will use the persistent strategies, and the persistent strategies can be divided into three categories. The first one we call it as non-persistent. The second one we have one persistence, and the third one we have p-persistent. So the persistent strategy defines the procedure for a station that sends a busy medium. So basically, these are the strategies that being used in the CSMA. Okay, look at the first persistent. We have non-persistent. So in non-persistent, the station will sense the line, and if the line is idle, it will sense a frame immediately. If not, it will wait until a random amount of time and then sense the line again. The second one, we have one persistent. So in this strategy, the station will sense the line first. If the line or the medium transmission medium is idle, so it sends a frame immediately. Using this one persistent method, okay, we have the most highest chance of the collision. Because when all stations sense the line at the same time, and all stations will identify that the line is idle. So it will sense the frame immediately. So every station in that network will send a frame immediately during the same time. That's why the chance of the collision is highest compared to the other strategies. Okay, for the third persistent strategy, we call it as p-persistent. So in these strategies, if a station senses the line is idle, it may or it may not sense its frame. So this method is used if the channel has time slots with the durations equal or greater than the maximum of the propagation time. So we only use this method if the channel has the time slot. Okay, and this method reduce the chance of collision and improve the efficiency compared to the other persistent strategy. So look at these figures. Figure 1 for one persistent, figure A for the non-persistent, A for one persistent, B for non-persistent, and C for p-persistent. So look at the figure A, we have one persistent. So all the stations in the same network will continuously send the medium or the line. So this one busy until it meets at this point idle. So it transmit the frame immediately. For the non-persistent, all the station will sense the medium or the link or the line first. If busy, it will wait, and at a certain amount of time, it will sense again. Okay, busy, so it waits, and then it transmits the data or the frame. For the third strategy, which is referred to the p-persistent, the station will continuously sense the medium or the link or the line in the transmission medium. Busy until this point, it identifies that's idle. The line is not busy. So probability outcome does not allow transmission. It need to wait for a certain time based on the time slot. Time slot 1, time slot 2, time slot 3, then it will transmit the frame. So using this strategy, the percentage or the possibility of collision may be reduced. The chance of the collision can be reduced, and this strategy is more efficient compared to the other two strategies. So there are the strategies on the persistent method in the carrier sends multiple access. The basic principle in the CSMA, it sends first before it transmits the frame. So that's all for this video. We continue on the next video. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.